you're traveling to UAE right now and you're about to land in the Abu Dhabi International Airport and you're wondering what to do next and where to withdraw your cash from, you have stumbled upon at the right video. Watch this video till the end and I'll be giving you all the information you need about ATM withdrawal. So once you land in the Abu Dhabi International Airport and you have to clear the immigration area first, because before that there are no ATMs available at the airport. Once you clear your immigration, you will come across one ATM which will be from Standard Chartered Bank. This will be the first ATM that you would come across, but you should avoid withdrawing any cash from this ATM. You must be wondering why I'm saying this. Well, it has the highest amount of transaction charges. It charges around 12.99% fee on cash withdrawal. So this ATM you have to avoid at any cost. So now you might be wondering what else option do you have? Well, the very next option is Emirates NBD Bank. This ATM is available just after you exit the immigration area. Once you exit the immigration area, you will be finding the Emirates NBD ATM. Now, why should you choose this ATM? Well, this does not charge you any transaction fee. So that's a big bonus, and it's just approximately like a 1-minute walk from the previous ATM which you just left. So you can withdraw your money from Emirates NBD Bank and you will not have to worry about any transaction fee. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.